One of the great new features of MEO Pro is the ability to create your own categories. And we're going to show you how to do that. Here I am looking at all my categories, and what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to hit the plus button. This gets me into a situation where I'm going to create a new category. You'll see first is the category title. Now that's the same category title that you're going to see right here. Okay, so that's that title. The next thing is the title element, and I'm going to show you what that is real quick. If you go to credit cards and I hit American Express, title element is this top blue part. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's go hit plus. We're going to create a new category, and I am going to call this category garage doors. Hit save. So now my category title is garage door. The title will be, oh, I don't know, just garage. That's the generic title. And now I have to add the elements into this particular category. And we're not going to use addresses, but notice how I just swipe and I can actually find things. And basically, a garage door keypad thing is just simply a field. So I'm going to give that I'm going to touch field. See how easily that added in there, how awesome that was? Another thing I'm going to do is, by the way, is that maybe I'm going to have some notes in there because it might be important to provide some other directions. So let's go ahead and hit notes, okay? So now I have two things. What I can do now is I can touch on that, and I'm going to give this a title. I'm going to call that the pin, the P. Just leave it at that. And for now, notes will be just notes. You'll see how that turns out. But interestingly enough, I can rearrange these if I like. Now, you can't change the title element. That always has to be first, but any of these other two I can go ahead and change. But obviously, I'm going to leave it the way I had it because I think it's much better to have the pin first. I think that's it. It's a pretty simple category. It only took me a few seconds to make, and I'm going to hit save. Hit the edit here. There's the garage doors, and I want to change the icon. So let's go there. Now I have the icon. Ah, the keypad, how wonderful, that's perfect. I hit save, and I'm going to hit done. There are the garage doors with the keypads. Awesome. Let's go add an item real quick. Hit the plus sign. Now I'm going to add a real garage door. I'm going to say house, and I'm going to put the pin in there, notes. Very creative, I know. Already done. There's my garage, and there's the pin number and my notes. There we have it. I just added a new category.